The easiest way to do isolated chrome is up next. Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi, and we've got some Model 1s out, and that's what we're going to start with the base. We're going to do a little bit of different colors here and there, but it's just this really shimmery, sheer, gorgeousness. It's cold here, so we're keeping it sort of cold weather vibed, but we are going to have a lot of fun with some isolated chrome stamping. There are a lot of ways to do chrome stamping, but this is my way. And if you don't want to have to buy anything extra, you can do this with what you've already got on hand. It's going to be super, super simple because if you're doing nails, chances are good you've got alcohol and an acetone and all the stamping all the stamping things you need. Here is step one. After you polish your nails, whether it's with regular polish or gel polish, there you go. If it's regular polish, just use alcohol. But because this is gel, I start with acetone and I clean all the sticky layer off. And then I come in with a little alcohol to make sure the acetone didn't leave anything behind. And then your nail is clean and it will not take chrome, which is the most important thing for isolated. Then we come in with our stamping. And I will go over that process again. We are going to do this 5 times. So I will go over that with you in just a second. But now we're going to stamp down. Just lining it up in the middle. That's why a clear stamper is your friend. Now don't touch it or anything. Okay. And then come in with whatever tool you have, your fingertip, a makeup sponge, whatever you have. I'm going to use these silicone tools because I have them and you don't have to throw them away, right? When they get worn out. Well, I guess they probably do get worn out too, but cover your image. And I just like to use my finger to wipe it down. A paper towel also wipes it down really well, but you can see all the chrome came away from the nail and just the stamping is chromed now. And it works perfect every time. Let's do it again. Now I'm out of black. If you have black, I'm out of black stamping polish and white. I just ordered some. So I'm just using a color that corresponds to the stamp, the chrome color that I'm going to use. So this one's going to be blue on blue, blue on blue. If you know, you know. I grew up listening to him. So that's a song I remember from my childhood. And we're going to put down this beautiful plaid. Look at, even without the chrome, that's pretty cute. I love the blue on blue, but we're coming in with the deeper blue chrome, and that's really going to have it pop against that medium blue background. And as you've guessed already, we are doing like monochrome each nail, right? It's, yeah. Guys, brain just shut down. Anyway, single colors, right? All pink, all purple, all blue. And we are going to have some purple, although the purple verges on pink. These polishes are by Model 1s. All the stamping accoutrement is from Born Pretty, except the stamper. The stamper is Queen, not Queen, Queen. Look it up, really good stampers. I also have some good rectangular shaped stampers from McCart that are very, very nice. So check those out as well if you're looking for good stampers. And neither of them are super expensive, like under $5. So check them out. And that's the rest of our colors for our base nails. Now we're going to come in on the one that's kind of purpley. There's 2 that are so close. One's a little closer to purple, one's a little closer to pink. And we used both of them. I love these Model 1's colors. They're really, really pretty. You can see that stamper head is pushed in a little too far, and that's making it hard for me to clean it up. But we got it done. We got it done. And then on the one that's more purpley, but as you can see, it's purpley pink. We're going to put this purple down. I could have lined that up a tiny bit better, but I'm leaving it just as is because something about it made me happy, right? I really like it. I like those little shapes, which are like off-centered plus signs, I guess, sort of tilted plus signs, almost multiplication signs. Yeah, kind of. But it looks like something that would be on a sweater, right? That's what I was thinking with this set. Sweaters without the raised. Like if you wanted sweater nails, but you didn't really like that sugared surface, or because it does get dirty. Let me warn you, it does get dirty. And you don't like raised feeling on your nails. This would be a way that you could get that look without having all of that. And this is another one I thought immediately looked like a sweater to me. So we're going to use that one as well. And again, we're going to do that purple because it's my favorite color. And there's your song for the day. There you go. You don't always get a song, but today, my loves, you got a song. And it's real easy to push to pull that head out. I'm going to do that. I promise. We're going to get it. We're going to get it, guys. They're super easy to work with. So I know some of you are out there going, could you fix your stamper, girl, please? And then come back in with our chrome. Very, very pretty. Now, we've not broken down all the steps yet of how you actually do the stamp. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and talk about that with the next one. Look at that. It came out so pretty. And then your finger, we'll just pull it right away. And I'm always wearing gloves when I'm working with nails, so it keeps that from getting embedded in your skin, right? Because the chrome sticks to everything. There you go. So let's talk about how we're doing the stamps. Put down your polish. I probably put more than I need, but I like to make sure it's in there. Then with a quick motion, scrape away the extra. And the only time you really have to hurry is when after you scrape, you need to pick up immediately. And you just use a swift rocking motion. No pressure is needed. Just swift rocking motion and then press it down on your nail. Immediately, do not touch anything. Just come right in with your chrome. Cover that image and then wipe away the excess and bam, isolated chrome. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Guys, I'm telling you, this set took me like 30 minutes to put together. So you can have a stunning, eye-catching holiday look on your fingertips in no time flat. Everyone is going to ooh and ah, and you had an easy, fun experience making it happen. There it is. So check it out. It's so easy to do it. On the tips of these little pinky ones, and I mean pinky as in color, not in nail. As soon as I said it, I was like, that didn't make sense, Marsha. So that's right. My name's actually Marsha. Okay, that's the two times in like 2 weeks I've said that. I talk to myself a lot, and I don't call myself Gigi. I call myself Marsha. Gigi's my grandmother name, and I am your great grandmother of glam. So that's why I'm Gigi for you guys. So anyway, we've got 2 Frenches. The rest are full colors. We could have done a French on that index finger, but I thought it was too much French and then no French. So I didn't do that. But guys, I love this set. Let me know what you think about them in the comment section. Let me know your favorite isolated chrome tips as well. We like to share around here and help all of our sisters and brothers have gorgeous nails. Guys, thank you so much for watching. We are going to see you after Thanksgiving. I hope you have a wonderful holiday if you celebrate. And if you don't call it Thanksgiving, whatever you do call it, just give thanks and be grateful. We're going to see you next time. Mwah. Bye-bye.